Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write persuasive sales page copy using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. A well-written sales page can make a huge difference in converting visitors into customers. When you use ChatGPT, provide details about your product or service, target audience, and the key benefits you want to highlight. For example, you might say, write persuasive sales page copy for an online course teaching digital marketing to beginners. ChatGPT will generate compelling and clear copy that focuses on your product's value, addresses common objections, and includes a strong call to action. Be sure to personalize the text by adding testimonials, guarantees, or unique selling points to make your sales page more credible and trustworthy. Also, use ChatGPT to create different versions of your sales page copy to test whether one performs better than the other. Keep your language customer focused, benefits driven, and easy to understand. And that's it, guys. Now you have learned how to create persuasive sales page copy quickly and effectively using ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.